Hi guys, today I will be upgrading a Dell Precision M6500, such a beauty. On the left we got a Kensington lock, mic and headphone jack ports, 2 USB 3 ports, a DVD slot and an SD card reader. On the right side we got a Wi-Fi switch, Ethernet, VGA, DisplayPort, eSATA and a USB port. Now this laptop was sold in 2010 with Windows 7 Professional and it supports up to 16GB of RAM. And along with its i7 Extreme Edition quad-core processor, this was a champion. Now I got this laptop for free because the company that gave it to me wants to support me in recycling old laptops. The keyboard has LED lights as well as the touchpad. You can even configure your touchpad for better multitasking solutions. It has room for 2 hard drives and with a 17-inch screen this is just an awesome workstation, even if it's a few years old. Sorry for the dark pictures, but it's almost winter. That reminds me of something. Well, let's get on with the SSD installation. So after doing all that, here's my review. Windows 10 works perfect on this machine. All the drivers were automatically installed except for the touchpad. And after all the Windows updates I decided to keep this as my backup workstation. So for now with 8GB of memory, a 265GB SSD and a fresh installation of Windows 10, I would say
wow, it's very nice.
Now if you boot up the laptop you will find indicators for your hard disk, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and battery. And on the bottom of the laptop you will find another battery indicator. It tells you how full the battery is even when it's turned off.
bitty boy. My grandmother bought me a cute little toy. Silver bells hanging on a string. She said it was my ding-a-ling-a-ling, oh my ding-a-ling. Everybody sing, I wanna play with my ding-a-ling-a-ling, oh my ding-a-ling, my ding-a-ling. I wanna play with my ding-a-ling-a-ling.
That's it for the Dell Precision M6500. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.